Togbega Gabusu ya wotoso dumienu ono na waye panyini ya wodi igbi na nanu matra nkonwa bedwoko no enim wodi adehwede ato Ghana man panyin His Excellency na nado danko akufado enim se wasrada enim ya wompa bedwoko na anu ada ne mpotem ho no sade aposifo ene omanfo amedini ye wo ho ma tututu okra kwa so meka nipa mienu no ene akade ahodo bi ya asai no emu asotwe ye se fata no womfa masa nkrofo a otu sa na mo
Ogbi traditional area edi ato Ghana mampanyin na nadanko akufado anim se momodina so obeti abadwako bi a wobehwehwe mentime wase sorry wo posifo ene omanfo Ogbi godenu entemu a ema ebi ehwere wo monkwa no amu sa mentime wase ma nipa mienu ehwere wo monkwa na nanom ne omanfo kyerɛ sɛ wo munyi atentere ne ewo asɛm no emu divisional chief a wo bi wegbe Togbega a wotoso dumienu ene ne nsɛmtwɛfo etwetwe enkomo
on behalf of the Green States and in my own right, is calling on the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo, to immediately and as a matter of urgency to set up an independent committee of inquiry to investigate and report on the findings as far as past and current events of police brutalities and killings of innocent citizens in the Green State are concerned.
And wachi osai jina oyina Wodagbi traditional area anemu ekasaye no chire mu se posi mpanifo mfa wonan ensi fom se beya aposifo a woto hyete mamofo so ebro wo mo no eto betimi atwa na omayi mu so asomdwe abamu.
The findings, Your Excellency, hopefully should be made available to the Green State within 90 days from the date of this conference. I wish to say that working within this time frame will go a long way to curtail the reoccurrence of excessive use of lethal force and police brutalities and unprofessional conduct by the police in the Green States.
Daniel Nobel Awume mensiri krachi yo Hohoe no so edisansemi etuja.
The future belongs to the youth. I believe that the future is even now. And for my youths losing their lives, in fact, I'm pained. And for that matter, I would want to go all that I can to make sure that justice is served.